my channel. Today I have a quick unboxing video for you. It's the Hero Arts February 2018 card kit. I just received it yesterday, and along with that I ordered a couple other things to get my order up to $50 so I'd get free shipping. I think if you subscribe to the kit you get free shipping. The kit is $34.99. I'm not subscribed yet. I may in the future, but just so I'd get free shipping I went ahead and ordered a couple more things. I'll go ahead and show you that first, and then I'll get to the kit. This die is the paper layering feather die, and it's one of the add-ons for this kit. So I thought that was really pretty. And I also ordered a couple of embossing powders. I've never tried the Hero Arts embossing powder, so I wanted to give those a try. I got gold and clear. I was running low on both of those, so thought I'd give those a try. So let's go ahead and get to the kit. As always, it's wrapped up in tissue paper. And I was really excited about this kit because I love birds. Try to get that light out of the way so it's not such a glare. Okay. Let's go ahead and start with the stamp set. As always, it's wrapped up in pretty ribbon, which last month I ended up using in one of my cards. So you get this, it's a 6x8 stamp set this time, and it's got all of these bird silhouettes. All the different kinds of birds, and it's got a lot of, so sorry about the glare. Can't, oh no. Okay, I'll try to hold it over here, so. But it's the sentiments say love you, hey girlfriend, what's the word, thanks, happy birthday, hi there, sending hugs, chirping you on, tweet, so happy for you, you got one cool chick, oh no, you are one cool chick, sending you sunshine, congrats, special, oh no, spread your wings. I think I probably need to put my glasses on. And feel better soon. So I was really excited to get this. And it comes with coordinating dies. I think it's 24 of those. And the other goodies that come in the kit, you get 3 more ink cubes, which I'm excited about, building my Hero Arts ink collection. So we get, I'm not sure if these are available outside the kit or not. Sometimes they are, sometimes they aren't. But you get, I would say this is probably feather. I'm not 100% sure. Feather. And I'm sure this would be, get this out here. Sure, this would be robin's egg. It's like a really pretty blue. And then nest. This is probably the nest. So this is the brown, I would say. So I'm excited to get those. And you also get these little tiny grapevine wreaths. They would look so cute on a card. I've got to figure out how I want to use those. But I definitely this month will be doing a 10 cards 1 kit video. So also you receive this really pretty wood grain cardstock. I'm not sure if the camera's picking that up or not. I can't tell. But it's like a really pretty wood grain, and you get 2 colors of that. It's stone, I guess that would be the stone, and Bubinga. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that right. But yeah, so at the time of filming this, the kit is still available, and I'm really excited to start using this. And I definitely will be doing the 10 cards 1 kit with this. Really, really cute. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll be back soon with another video.